The Faroe Islands are a paradise for nature and photography lovers. This archipelago consists of 18 new islands and volcanic islands that lie in the North Atlantic Ocean. The archipelago is located 320 kilometers north-northwest of Scotland, about 580 kilometers from Norway, and about 430 kilometers from Iceland. The islands are part of the Kingdom of Denmark, along with mainland Denmark and Greenland. The islands have an area of about 1,400 square kilometers. As of June 2022, the population of the Faroe Islands is around 54,000. The geographical location of the Faroe Islands means that the weather in this region can change in an instant. The sun can shine, but a moment later a strong wind blows, then it becomes cloudy and then drizzles and even snowfall. The Faroe Islands are decorated with mountains with snow-capped peaks, vast meadows where sheep graze, beautiful waterfalls, and villages with colorful houses. The archipelago is also inhabited by flocks of paven birds. This bird is a type of pelagic seabird that has a black and white feather pattern. Usually these birds nest on the tops of the cliffs. One of the most interesting places in the Faroe Islands is Gasadalur, a village that can be categorized as one of the most remote villages in the world. The village is surrounded by mountains and sits on the edge of a high cliff facing directly towards the Atlantic Ocean. Until now, Gasadalur Village has no connecting route with other villages. Prior to 2004, there were only two ways to get to the village of Gasadalur: by helicopter or by climbing the mountains that surround the settlement, which rise to more than 400 meters, and then traveling quite a distance towards the village. Another option for those who are brave is to climb the cliff face by a boat that dares to get closer to the water area filled with steep rocks. But luckily, in 2004, a 4.9-kilometer tunnel through the mountain was successfully built to make it easier for residents to travel to other villages. But unfortunately, even though there are excellent fields for farming, the population of this village has dropped dramatically over time. This is due to its isolated location. In 2002, there were only 16 people living in this village. Then in 2012, there were only 18 population, and in 2020 this number has decreased to 11 residents. Gasadalur Village, tucked in between green fields and towering mountains on all sides, has many stunning views. There are so many sheep inhabiting this region that the Faroe Islands have become widely known as the Isle of the Sheep in the local dialect. What is very interesting and is the main attraction of the village of Gasadalur is the Mjolfossur waterfall. This waterfall flows straight into the Atlantic Ocean.